Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your active earbud. Right now I use the left one. Maybe you use the right one. And right here at the third line we have a button disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But if you want to remove your earbuds from your phone totally, you need to select forget this device button, because with disconnect we just tap Bluetooth connection but leave them at the device list. So if you don't need it, just select another button. Now let's disconnect them, and as I said, I have it at the device list, but I stop Bluetooth connection with them and I can reconnect them. So I can reconnect this time the right one and make it the main. And that's it, because you will have only one of your earbuds active, but you use both of your earbuds. It just works like that. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!